Welcome to my last and final part of the Smokey Eyes series. And guess what? I may have just saved the best for last. All of this month I have been doing video tutorials on various forms of Smokey Eyes, and I have also given them fancy names like classic, basic, dramatic, etc. But to be honest, is Smokey Eyes really that exotic? I mean, if you think about it, women through centuries have been doing makeup, and in particularly Smokey Eyes. The ancient Egyptians did it thousands and thousands of years ago. Closer to me in India, almost all mythological figures are described as having dark, coal-lined eyes. They didn't have all these fancy eyeshadows or these thousands of eyeshadow brushes. To be fair, in my video tutorials, I have used very minimum products, only 3 or 2 colors, and definitely not more than 2 brushes. But I want to simplify things further and tell you what the easiest way to do the smoky is. So you only need one product for this, honestly, just one, and no brushes at all. In this video, I'm going to use this one. It's from Charlotte Tilbury's color Chameleon range, and this color is Black Diamonds. For some reason, they say it's for blue eyes. I feel a little disappointed at that description, to be honest. I feel a bit discriminated, but I'm trying not to be too touchy-feely about this whole color thing now. This color Chameleon is like eyeshadow in a pencil form, but it can be also used as a thick eye pencil or an eyeliner. You don't necessarily need to buy Charlotte Tilbury for this, because many other brands, I think almost all good makeup brands have similar kind of products, like this Bobbi Brown's Long Wear Cream Eyeshadow Stick. You don't even need something that is eyeshadowish. I have also created this look, and this is what I use most days. It's quite old and it's almost finished now, but this is a Chanel eye pencil. This is just an eye pencil. The word eyeshadow was not mentioned anywhere in its description. I have also used it using a really cheap eyeliner pencil that I bought from India last time. I loved it because the color was such a nice emerald green. It cost me only about 100 Indian rupees. I don't even remember the brand now, but it gave such a beautiful result.
Start by lining the upper lash line starting from the outer corner. Decide how much wing you wish to draw, and then draw the crease line wherever you want it to be. Once the outlines are drawn, fill in the rest of the eyelid area using the pencil just like a crayon, going almost up to the inner corner, leaving a tiny bit blank in the inner side. If you want the edges diffused like me, use your ring finger in a stippling motion, and as you do, the inner corner will also be filled in. Use a Q-tip to clean up the mess, if any. Use the same pencil to draw on the lower water line, starting from the outer corner to the inner corner, joining both the sides. Add an extra layer if you want more color. Just to recap, first line the upper lash line starting from the outer corner. Extend the wing as per your preference. Draw your crease line where you wish it to be, and then fill in the rest of the lid using the pencil like a crayon, going almost up to the inner corner. If you want the margins to be diffused like me, use your ring finger just to dab it a tad bit. Mind you, do not wipe it or else the color will come off to your finger. If the eye color is quick drying, do one eye at a time. Use a Q-tip to tidy up and add a second layer if you want more color to the lower lash line. The final finishing touches. And you're done. You may also wish to line the upper lash line using an eye pencil or an eyeliner. If you want more intensity, you can also do the same for your lower lash line, joining the 2 sides on both the outer and inner corner. And of course, don't forget the mascara, definitely also on the lower lashes.
So you see how simple it is. I really hope now that more of you are going to try the smoky look. I have provided you with 3 different methods. You take your pick now how you want to do it and tell me how it goes. See you later. Bye.